Tired of tangled cords cluttering your workspace? The Underdesk Cable Management Tray offers a simple, effective solution to keep your cables organized and out of sight. Designed for both office and home use, this tray helps you reclaim your desk and create a safer environment around your electronics. Crafted from thickened, flame-retardant Oxford cloth, this premium fabric cable organizer doesn't just hide your wires, it enhances safety. Its durable material resists dust and reduces fire risks, giving you peace of mind while maintaining a clean, professional look under your standing desk. With a spacious design, this cable tray holds power strips, extension cords, adapters, and all your various wires. No more tripping hazards or messy floors. Everything stays neatly bundled and tucked away, so you can focus on your work without distractions or safety concerns. Installation is a breeze. Choose between two mounting options, clamp-on or screw-mounted brackets. No drilling needed, just clamp it to your desk or tighten the screws, and you're done. It fits desktops between 0.4 inches and 2.4 inches thick, adapting easily to most tables without hassle. Inside the kit, you get the cable management tray, 2 hardware brackets, 2 fiber tubes, and 12 cable ties. These extras help you secure and separate cables for an even tidier setup. It's a thoughtful package designed to eliminate cable chaos and protect your family from accidental trips or vacuum mishaps. If you're ready to upgrade your workspace, this Underdesk cable organizer is worth a look. It transforms clutter into order, improves safety, and keeps your environment dust-free. Imagine a desk free of dangling cords and distractions. That's what this cable tray delivers. Don't settle for messy cables that slow you down or create hazards. The Underdesk Cable Management Tray offers a reliable, neat, and safe way to organize your cords. Try it when you're ready to experience a cleaner, more efficient workspace that just works.